Have you ever wondered why some businesses flourish while others falter? The answer often lies in the decisions made during the early stages. Starting a business is a journey, filled with challenges and opportunities. From clarifying your vision, to establishing a solid business plan, rigorous financial management, and building a competent team, every step is crucial. Ignoring these stages might be the pitfall that many fall into, but fear not. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 strategies for launching a successful business. Scene script. Here are 10 strategies you must adopt to ensure the success of your business. First, clarify your vision and mission. Avoid the mistake of not having a clear vision. Instead, define your objective, your target audience, and what makes your company different. Next, establish a solid business plan. Don't ignore strategic planning. Instead, create a detailed business plan, including market research, a marketing strategy, and financial forecasts. Third, adopt rigorous financial management. Avoid the pitfall of poor financial management. Stay on top of your finances, establish a budget, and set aside an emergency fund. Fourth, build a competent team. Don't hire the wrong team. Recruit talented individuals who share your vision and complement your skills. Fifth, adopt a customer-centric approach. Avoid neglecting customer needs and feedback. Instead, listen to your customers and adapt your products or services according to their feedback. Sixth, be adaptable and learn continuously. Don't get stuck on one strategy. Be ready to evolve and learn from both your mistakes and successes. Seventh, don't underestimate the power of digital marketing. Use social networks and online marketing effectively to reach and engage your audience. Eighth, don't isolate yourself in the industry. Build professional relationships and explore strategic partnerships. Ninth, prioritize health and well-being. Don't sacrifice your health for work. Balance work and personal life and take care of your mental and physical health. Finally, celebrate small victories. Avoid focusing only on big goals. Acknowledge and celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Remember, every great journey begins with a small step. Your determination, passion, and willingness to learn are your greatest assets. Go forward with confidence and optimism, and success will follow. Now that you know the strategies for success, it's your turn to put them into action. Clarify your vision, establish a solid business plan, manage your finances rigorously, build a competent team, and always keep your customers at the heart of your decisions. Stay adaptable, prioritize your health, celebrate each victory, however small, and never underestimate the power of networking and a strong online presence. Remember, every great journey begins with a small step. Go forward with confidence and optimism, and success will follow.